How does the process of taking over my car payments work? Please read the information below carefully. The only purpose of this video is to provide you with enough information to help you decide if you wish to move forward to step 2, which is running your vehicle data through our proprietary software program. Please note that we are also evaluating other vehicles, and once we have met our desired quota for the month, we will not be able to take over car payments on any additional vehicles. We will let you know if our quota has been met for the month. We get tons of inquiries each month from car owners wanting us to take over their car payments. In both an up and down economy, obviously, we cannot take over the car payments on all of the cars that are presented to us. We understand going in that our solution does not work for everyone, and we are not offended if you decide to choose other alternatives to get rid of your vehicle. For those car sellers who are open to a creative solution to getting rid of your car headache, please continue. If you are behind on car payments, the evaluation for buying your car will go through a more stringent evaluation process. We are selective about the vehicles that we choose to take over the car payments on. Obviously, both you and our company are at risk. You are at risk by trusting us to make your car payments in a timely fashion. We are at risk because we guarantee on-time payments on an asset that oftentimes is upside down, and we need to make sure we are taking a good financial risk. The last thing we want to happen is for us to miss a payment because we guaranteed to make a payment on what was a bad debt at the time the loan was originated. Therefore, we are mainly concerned with 3 things: the underlying financing and interest rate, the overall condition of the vehicle, the make, model and year of the vehicle. We can usually work around the number of miles driven and the car being upside down. The only reason that we are able and willing to take over car payments on vehicles that may be upside down, meaning you owe more to the lender than the car is worth on the open market, is because we are able to take advantage of your car loan that is already in place. We do not have to go out and qualify for a new auto loan. This saves us time and money, which we will plow back into the loan to get it paid down and eventually paid off quickly. We keep these autos in our fleet of cars and usually pay them off completely in 24 months or less. We subsequently trade them in as down payments on newer cars. We buy cars in all states, so location is not a deterrent for us. We take over your car payments, keep your payments current, and honor all agreements with your lender, which includes keeping full insurance coverage on the vehicle in our name. Once the paperwork is completed, you will be absolved of all responsibility other than checking online to verify that we are making payments in a timely fashion each month. We do not go out and qualify for a new loan to pay your car off with your current lender. Most people who contact us owe more than the Kelley Blue Book value on their car. As mentioned earlier, this is not a deterrent to us. We evaluate each car on an individual basis. If you agree with all of the terms above, then please go to the link in the description and submit your car's information. We will evaluate your vehicle by placing it into our proprietary software program, which generates either an approval or denial response for us. We will get back with you within 24 hours letting you know the outcome. If your car qualifies, we will send you all of the necessary paperwork via email or overnight mail, whichever you prefer. Once all the legal paperwork has been signed and notarized, we will arrive at your location to pick up the car. P.S. Obviously, our solution is not for everyone, and we are not here to try and twist your hand if you don't want us to take over your car note. We only want to do business if you're willing to sell your car by allowing us to take over your car payments. P.P.S. We believe we are doing a great service because most of the vehicles we have already taken over payments on would have been repossessed by the lender had we not stepped in.